Why you forget names 2 seconds later and stop it. Psychology shows your brain isn't lazy, it's efficient to a fault. You meet someone, hear their name, 2 seconds later, gone. The answer will surprise you. Here's what's happening. Your brain treats names like spam email. Researchers found that within 3 seconds of hearing a name, 85% of people shift focus to something else. Handshake, eye contact, their own introduction. Your working memory only holds 4 things at once. Names get dumped first. Think of your memory as a sticky note, not a hard drive. If you don't repeat the name immediately, it's erased forever. That's not forgetfulness, that's a design flaw. But here's the fix. It takes 2 seconds. After they say, "I'm Sarah," you say, "Sarah," back, out loud. That single repetition moves the name from temporary to longer storage. One study showed a 400% improvement in name recall with this alone. Second trick, attach a visual. Sarah has curly hair? See a spiral next to her face. Your brain evolved for images, not words. The weirder the image, the better it sticks. Third, use the name within 60 seconds. So, Sarah, how do you know the host? That's 3 repetitions. Now it's locked. So what does this mean for you? You don't have a bad memory, you have a bad system. Your brain is working exactly as designed. You just never learned the manual. Stop believing you're just bad with names. That myth keeps you stuck. The truth, your brain needs a tiny nudge. 2 seconds of effort, that's it. Next time you meet someone, say their name back, then add one weird image, then use it once more. You'll never freeze again. Subscribe if you want to fix your brain fog for good. And comment, does this name forgetting thing happen to you? Because it happens to everyone. Now you know why.